Hi guys, so a lot of people have always thought that creating a QR code is something for the tech geeks. Well, technically it is actually something for the tech geeks, but the cool stuff is in this video I'm going to show you how to create a QR code. So congratulations, you're about to be a tech geek. Technically, alright, quickly let's see what a QR code does. So a QR code is a type of barcode that can be read easily by a digital device like a phone and which stores information as a series of pixels in a square-shaped grid, just like the one you have on my screen right here. Alright, so in this video, I'll show you how to create a basic QR code, and then we go to the advanced stuff like putting in a Facebook icon, putting in your image, and probably your logo or whatever you'd like to put into it. All right, let's do this, guys. All right, so the first website we're going to be using is qrstuff.com. qrstuff.com. So on qrstuff.com you could create your basic QR code for free, and we have a lot of options of the type of QR code you could create here, like your website URL, a plain text, even putting in a PDF file, your YouTube links, and a lot of other options right here that you could embed into your QR code. For this tutorial, I'm just going to go with the website, and I'm going to type in my website link here in this format: www.casetech.com.ng. Alright, so when you do that, you come right here to download. There are other options, but we just want to download the basic QR code. So you click on this icon and you click on the download button, and that basically downloads your QR code for you. Alright, so that's how to create a basic QR code like this one. Alright, so let's do a little bit of more advanced stuff like styling it and making it look a little bit nicer. Alright, so to do that, just click on this icon right here, and we have the option of model shape. Here I'm just going to click on the round one, and you see what that does. It changes the shape of the QR code and makes it look rounded, which I think is nice. And then we have the options for color, and I'm going to select blue. What this does is it changes the colors, which looks better. Alright, and to download this, click on this icon and click on download, and that downloads your QR code. So that's easy, and that's how to create a colored QR code. Alright, so the next website where you could create a QR code is goqr.me. Alright, goqr.me. So on this website you could create a basic QR code also. We don't have as many options like we do the former website, but that's okay. You could still create some stuff right here, like your website, a plain text, contacts, and a lot of other things. Alright, so I'm just going to select the plain text and type in my name is Kayode. Alright, so after doing that, you just click on the download button and this pops up. Here you could change the color of the background and the color of the foreground, but I'm just going to leave it as black and white. And then you select PNG, and that downloads your QR code for you. So guys, that is so easy. It's just as easy as eating beans. Oh, I'm sorry about that. Doesn't make sense. Alright, so the next website is unitag.io. unitag.io. I like this website because it has a little bit of more advanced stuff in it, and you just click on the QR code generator and it brings you up to this page. And here the cool thing about Unitag is that you have a lot of templates that you could work with. We have the Facebook, we have the Twitter, we have the Pinterest, and a lot of other templates. Alright, so I'm just going to select the Facebook, and here you're going to paste in your Facebook URL, and I'm going to look up my Facebook URL. Just go to your Facebook page and select your profile, and the link you have here is your Facebook URL. So I'm just going to copy that and go back and paste that right here. Alright, so I have my Facebook link, and then I click on confirm. So that puts in my link into the QR code, which is a cool stuff. Alright, so to download, just scroll down and click on download, click on next and download, and that will download up your QR code for you. Alright, I'm aware this website actually has a download limit, so be careful. I think like 4 times. Alright, so that's the downside of Unitag.io. Alright, so let's do another interesting stuff like putting in a picture right here. So to do that, just come to the customization panel and select logo and click on upload, and this takes you to your file manager where you get to choose your picture. I'm just going to look for this funky picture of mine and select this, and that should bring up my picture right here. Alright, so I have my picture in the QR code, which is amazing. Alright, and you could do a lot of other things, like I said, like changing the colors and other stuff, but I'm just going to leave it as it is. I think I like it this way. And then you click on download, click on next and download. Alright, I think I've reached my limits, but if you haven't, you get to download these. Alright, so guys, that's how to create a QR code. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, please click on the subscribe button, and you know what, hit the notification icon so whenever I upload another video, you'd be the first to see the video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.